Hi friends, I am Anas from WebsiteWise. Today in this video, we will learn how to upload an external WordPress theme to your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to upload a theme which is external, which means that if you have downloaded it from somewhere else from an external website and not from the marketplace of WordPress, then if you want to upload that theme to your WordPress dashboard, then you must watch this video till the end. Now in the case of WordPress theme, I would like to recommend Affiliate Booster because it is one of the best WordPress theme I have ever seen. Alright, and I am using in my websites also, in my multiple websites, hence you can easily get this theme. And the pricing is very affordable and the features are amazing. So as you can see, build your affiliate websites faster and easier without using heavy page builders. So this WordPress theme is also providing you with the WordPress plugin, which is very easy to use and which is very attractive. So if you scroll below, it is a complete WordPress theme and it also offers you a free plan also, but in the free plan you are limited to the features. Hence you should go with the paid version of this theme and plugin. So all you have to do is come at the bottom part first. So if you only want the plugin, then here are the pricing, but if you want a plugin and a theme also, then here are the pricing. So it's up to you, like 25 sites for $51 and single site for $36. So I think that this is going to be really awesome for you. But if you alone want to purchase a theme, so you have to come above and click on theme and you have to scroll below. So you will get the section of pricing. As you can see, there are multiple layouts of themes and multiple layouts of single post, and here also you are going to get free features and paid features. So for sure free are limited. So you have to scroll below, and as you can see over here, if you want a theme only, then here are the pricing, and if you want theme plus plugin, then the same pricing are over here. So once you have done by installing a theme, by purchasing a plan, you will get the dashboard of Affiliate Booster. But if you want to download the free version of this theme, then you have to come above, and as you can see, download free version of this theme. So you have to click over here. Or if you want any other theme to be downloaded, so for it you have to go to their website and you have to download that theme. So once you are done by purchasing the Affiliate Booster theme, then all you will get is this one, stored at affiliatebooster.com, helping affiliates to build money making websites. You have to simply log into your dashboard. So as you can see over here, once you are on your dashboard, here in the your account section, you will get multiple options like downloads, from where you can download the free version as well as the premium version of Affiliate Booster theme. And over here in the active sites, you will be able to see which sites the active is, okay. And over here you will be able to see the license of your Affiliate Booster theme. So without wasting any more time, as you can see, premium version of Affiliate Booster plugin and premium version of Affiliate Booster theme. Since I have purchased this Affiliate Booster theme, so all I have to do is simply click over here, Affiliate Booster theme premium version. Click here to download. So you have to simply click over here to download, to get the zip file of premium version of Affiliate Booster theme. Now all you have to do is simply upload the zip file to your WordPress dashboard. Now as you can see over here, we are on the WordPress dashboard. So for now, let me show you how my website looks. Basically, last time I have installed a template of Astra. That is the reason that it is looking this. Alright, now we have to install an external theme. For this, we have to move back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to go in the themes, in the appearance and in the theme section. And then you have to click on add new and click on upload theme. Now over here, you have to upload that zip file of Affiliate Booster theme. So after uploading, you have to click on install now. Now currently our theme has installed. Now all you have to do is simply click on activate the theme. Now as soon as you install this theme, it will ask you to install a plugin, which is this one, Kirki. Okay, so you have to click on begin installing plugin. Now you have to click on install button. So once it is installed, you have to return back to the plugin installer. And now you also have to activate this Kirki plugin. So let me activate this. So as you can see now, it is showing me that please activate your copy of Affiliate Booster theme to get update notifications, access to support features and other resources, which means that currently our theme has not made premium. Now we have to enter our license key to activate this theme. For this you have to click on activate button. And now as you can see over here, Affiliate Booster theme license key, you have to click on connect your account. Now over here you have to log into your Affiliate Booster panel. Now you have to provide the email and password and simply click on login to authenticate. So once you have logged in, it will ask you to activate the license. So let me click over here. So as you can see over here, our Affiliate Booster license has been successfully activated. Let us try to visit our website. So for this you have to open your website in a new tab. And now as you can see, we have successfully installed an external WordPress theme to your WordPress dashboard. And now you're free to customize and use this WordPress theme. Alright, so I hope that you have learned from this video. So if you have learned from this video, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.